They remember the double helix as a moment of clarity. Two men, a tidy model, a clean story. Rosalind Franklin's world was not tidy. She worked in post-war London, inside a laboratory where hierarchy mattered as much as data. X-ray crystallography was slow, exacting work. Hours of alignment, days of exposure, weeks of interpretation. Her photographs were not illustrations. They were measurements, dense with information, unforgiving of shortcuts. Did you know one of her images, later called Photo 51, contained the clearest evidence yet that DNA was a helix? She did not rush to publish. She wanted certainty before claim. In science, restraint can look like hesitation, especially when others are moving fast. The lab around her was tense. Roles were unclear. Credit was assumed rather than negotiated. Her data circulated without her control, passed along as if it were communal property. Did you know her unpublished findings were shown to competitors without her knowledge? Across the same city, models were built from fragments. Measurements inferred. Gaps filled with confidence. The structure emerged quickly. Elegant. Correct. By the time the papers appeared, Franklin had already moved on. After Cambridge, she went to Paris. Then back to London, to Birkbeck College. A smaller department. Fewer politics. She turned to viruses, treating them not as abstractions but as physical structures. Her work on tobacco mosaic virus mapped internal order with the same precision she once applied to DNA. Colleagues trusted her methods. The atmosphere shifted. The pressure eased. Recognition came late and unevenly. She was not invited into the victory narrative. Awards favored those still alive. She was not. Did you know she died at 37, before the Nobel Prize that sealed the story? The helix endured. So did the imbalance. What remained was not a scandal uncovered or a credit restored. It was a reminder that discovery is not just insight. It is access, timing, who is allowed to speak and when. Sounds fake. It's history. Subscribe for more real history that sounds fake.